recipe of vanilla cupcake mix. For this you'll need a table knife, a plastic spoon, a whisk, some cupcake cases, and a big bowl. You'll also need 4 to 5 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 50 milliliters or 3 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 medium free ranged eggs, and some cupcake mix. Then for the icing you'll need some icing mix, some whipped cream, some candy and chocolate sprinkles, some blueberries, 60 grams of butter, and 10 milliliters of water if needed. We're going to start by first adding the eggs into a bowl, then we continue by adding the oil, water, and cake mix. Whisking it gently together by hand or an electric mixer until smooth and creamy for 2 to 3 minutes. So we are going to whisk it like so until getting a smooth consistency. Once we have our cupcake mix perfectly well integrated like this, we're going to proceed filling each of our cupcake cases. Once we have our cupcake mix evenly distributed like this, we will proceed to bake them in the oven. Now that we have them into the center of the oven, we're going to proceed by getting them to the right temperature. So we're going to set it to 550 degrees Celsius for a time of 15 to 17 minutes until a knife comes out clean inserted into the center of the cupcake. So now we will proceed baking them. Just press play. Last but not least, and while that's baking, we're going to proceed making our icing. First we put the butter into a bowl, and then we pour the icing gently into the bowl. And then we put 10 milliliters of water if needed, mixing it until it's well incorporated gently together. Once we have our icing evenly incorporated like this, if you want to make it another flavor than vanilla, you could add any topping you like. In my case, I like blueberries, so we're going to pour them in like this, and we're going to mix until that is evenly within our mixture. Then once our icing mixture is done, we're going to put it in a piping bag like we've done here, and we're going to spread it in each of the cool cupcakes for a beautiful finishing touch. Look how our cupcakes turned out to be. They look so delicious, and the best thing is that they are almost effortless to make and can be given as delightful surprises at any party or special event that you have on the average day to day. Or you could just make them for yourself to enjoy with some tea. Well, that was it for today, guys. Don't forget that I'll be making more beautiful, fun, easy, and delicious surprises for you to try out. And also don't forget to like and comment this video for any suggestions, and subscribe to my channel for more of this happy world of amazing creations. See you next time. Bye! Click here for more videos. Click here to watch a full playlist. Or click here to subscribe